Good morning, children. Hope all of you watched the previous video and started doing the activities given in that as I directed. In the previous class, we have learnt about classification of plants and flowers. Hope all of you started observing the plants and flowers around us. Yes, there are flowers of different colors, smell and size. Flowers can be identified by their smell. There are many flowers in nature that arouse our curiosity. Children, we have learnt from the previous class that the smell of each flower can be identified, right? Now, what about the leaves? Can you identify the leaves? Most of them will be familiar to you, right? From the picture, we can understand that leaf is a very important part of a plant. Aren't their shape the same? No. Plants can be identified by the shape of their leaves. The shape of leaves of different plants is different. Plants can also be identified by the smell of their leaves. Let us discuss about living and non-living things. Things which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Examples of living things are human beings, animals and plants. Things which cannot grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called non-living things. They do not have any kind of life in them. Examples of non-living things are rocks, water, bucket, etc. Children, what are the peculiarities of living and non-living things? Peculiarities of the living: grow, new ones are formed, move, respond to stimuli, take food and water, die. Now, peculiarities of the non-living: do not grow, do not produce, do not move, do not respond, do not take food, do not die. All living things grow. Food is required for their growth. Similarly, food is required for the growth of plants too. Don't we cook food in our house in the kitchen? Plants prepare their food in their leaves. The prepared food is used for their growth. The remaining food is stored by the plant in its different parts. We use this as our food. These are the pictures of some of the plants we use for food. Let us summarize. Leaf is a very important part of a plant. Plants can be identified by the shape and smell of their leaves. Plants prepare their food in the leaves. Activity: draw different shapes of leaves. Draw any four and give color to them. Prepare an album of pictures of plants that we use for food. Paste any 6 pictures. Children, do these activities in your classwork notebook. Don't forget to put the continuous numbers 4 and 5. That's all for today. Thank you.